Hello, so we're going to start off with Bitcoin this morning. As you can see, for the last few weeks, it's not been tradable. We have a higher time frame bias, which is bearish, and just looking at the chart, is bearish. Fundamentally, it's bearish. Dollar very, very bullish. So, with that in mind, any trades that I would be looking at is going to be to the downside. We do have this candle high. That is capping any upside. You can see running through the market is acting as resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. If we also take into account, let's just put on these candle lows, then we have a nice area of resistance. So if you were looking upside, a weekly candle close above there and retest would be my best bet if the fundamental outlook changes. But at the moment, I'm only looking for selling opportunities. These lows seem like a nice target to me. Let's go down and take a look at Monday's levels, because they are capping this week's price action. This is Monday's high and this is Monday's low. You can see that we're just stuck inside that range. If we go down even further into the 1 hour chart, we can see we've taken Monday's high, we've taken Monday's low, and now we're just sitting. We're using Monday's low as support. If I'm bearish in this instrument, I want to see support give way. So if we get a break and a close, then I'll be looking for selling opportunities in Bitcoin. There was a trade I was looking at the start of yesterday, where if we had, I was looking at this as a raid, failure to make a higher high, but then we were looking for a break and a retest. So support running through the market. We got this break and didn't quite get the retest, and it was just so weak that it fell to Monday's low. Couldn't get involved. No harm done. No point in really spending too much time on it. Where is the next opportunity coming from? I think it's going to be this Monday low. As you can see, it's capping price at the moment. A nice break and retest, maybe on the 2 hour chart, so you don't get really suckered in to a 1 hour close and then close back in. But yeah, 2 hour close below Monday's low, and I'll be looking for selling opportunities in Bitcoin. It's the same with Ethereum. We're both stuck inside Monday's ranges. See the high and the low. If you're looking to take Ethereum, break, retest, looking for that selling opportunity.